What's up, guys? In today's video, we're going to be doing the weekly recap of the stat modeling strategy. Today is July 3rd of 2021. Don't forget the market will be closed on Monday in observance of Independence Day or the 4th of July. Have a great weekend and, of course, be safe. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and let's get right into today's recap. Overall, the swings had a good week. Nothing amazing. The bot had an okay week, and the premium selling was golden. So we're just going to run through these different strategies real quick and just go over all the plays. So here's what the current swing tab looks like. We could see if we just scroll down, we did close out the Zoom play this week, which was awesome. I'll cover that in like a minute or so. But we have a lot of plays open, as you can see, or a lot of plays that we just took half on, which I'm glad because, you know, some of these plays like VIAC or Tilray, they'll run up a lot and they have so much potential. So you don't want to like cut yourself short by exiting early, but at the same time, when you have gains, you don't want to turn that into like a big losing trade. So I'm glad that we've been like scaling out of certain plays, and I think that's definitely the right move to make in this market. But either way, we are holding a good amount of plays open, and we have been for a couple weeks, and it's been working pretty well. So that's good to see. If we go back to the swings tab, here's, you know, all the open plays, the closed plays for this week. If we scroll up a little bit to the Zoom trade, this was one of the best plays in quite some time. Overall, it was just an amazing play. We really did time it perfectly. So we got in the Zoom 290 calls on May 13th. And we literally caught the bottom. This does not happen too often with any type of strategy. Of course, it's always great to catch the bottom because you don't really have to deal with any, you know, stress of the stock going against you or anything like that. Either way, it was an amazing trade. We got a very high quality option. We had a lot of confidence in this play. We held it through earnings, which is something we normally don't do. And it just had an amazing uptrend. And I'm glad that it played out nicely. We did scale out of this one too. We closed out of the remaining half on Friday, which was awesome. You know, it might be the top, it might not, but I'm definitely happy with the gains. It was an amazing trade. If we go back to it right here, it was entered around 3,100, and then once you scale in like the different exits, the total average price is just about $7,700. So it's an amazing, almost 150% return, which is, you know, great to see, and I'm glad and happy for everyone who's able to play it. If you weren't able to play it, that's okay. There's always going to be more trades, and, you know, we have a lot of good potential setups forming in the market right now. So even if you didn't catch it, there will always be more similar. So definitely keep that in mind. Like I said, here are the current plays. If we shift over into the theta side, you know, if you're just someone who, you know, maybe is struggling a little bit right now, I highly recommend checking out the premium selling tab. Here are all of the theta plays for it. You're not going to become rich off this, but it is a great, slow and steady way to grow your account. Like when you factor in, you know, if you set up the short put correctly, in the worst case scenario, if you like the underlying stock for the long term, you just have to hold shares, and it should be a win-win. So, you know, the returns on this strategy have been golden. Pretty much a nice, slow and steady line to the upside, but it takes money to make money. So, like, if you only have, if you have a very, very small account, this strategy is not going to be optimal for you. But either way, it's a nice strategy, and if you do it correctly, it's a win-win. Hunter has been doing an amazing job with this, so huge shout out to him. And then if we get into the bot for this week, to be completely honest with everyone, it had a very mediocre week. I definitely was not pleased with the bot this week. It had a nice call out on TLRY, which was great, but it was just so fast. Like, you know, it did a great job of predicting the direction, but it just moved way too fast, and I feel like most people weren't able to successfully catch it. The coin play was awesome. It did a very good job this week, dip buying that. So great job to the bot there. But the other ones, they weren't so good. So I definitely wasn't pleased with the bot's results this week. But you know, you can't shoot amazing every time. So overall, good week, not amazing. Here are all the plays just again for the recap. Don't forget the market will be closed on Monday. Please keep that in mind. So, you know, if no one's talking in the chat on Monday morning, the market's closed. But again, thank you guys so much for watching the video, and I hope you have an amazing and safe weekend.